Hello everyone, your herbal health friend here, from Simple Things of Nature. As always, you can send us a message via WhatsApp with your health questions at 1-876-232-1683. From the USA call, and leave a message at 1347-514-7199, and we will get back to you. Today we're diving deep into the world of a few superfoods, those natural ingredients often hailed for their incredible health benefits. From boosting your immune system to potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, we'll explore it all. But remember, every rose has its thorns. We'll also uncover potential side effects and interactions these superfoods might have with common medications. Because your health is a priority, always consult with your healthcare provider before adding anything new to your diet or supplement routine. Let's get started. Herbs like cinnamon can help manage diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, brain booster. Some even see it as the cure and prevention for dementia and other diseases of the brain. Turmeric can also thin the blood, thus it should not be used when you are on blood-thinning medication. Turmeric should be used with a little black pepper or peppercorn, so as to get the most from this spice. Garlic can reduce high cholesterol, and its antioxidant properties support overall heart health, but it can also cause stomach problems in some people. Pumpkin seeds are beneficial for men's health, aiding in prostate issues and boosting sex drive. Pumpkin seeds can also be used to calm the nerves, thus enables men and women to have a restful night. Eating pumpkin seeds also help to eliminate various types of parasites from the system. Fenugreek is excellent for managing diabetes and alleviating symptoms of menopause. Red clover is known for its potential in cancer prevention, as well as many more wonderful health benefits. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help with a variety of health issues, including arthritis. However, it can also lower blood sugar level in those with diabetes. Cayenne pepper boosts metabolism and supports cardiovascular health, good for reducing joint pain, migraine headaches, sinus problems, weight loss, but using it too strong can cause stomach problems. Always use cayenne pepper with caution as it is very spicy, hot. Grapefruit is important for managing blood pressure and may help in reducing the risk of breast cancer, high cholesterol, but it should not be consumed when on certain medications such as high blood pressure medication and some diabetic drugs. These natural ingredients can be powerful allies in your journey to better health. Cayenne pepper can boost metabolism but may worsen acid reflux. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties but can interact with blood thinners. Fennel seeds can aid digestion and is highly recommended for babies, especially cough and colds, as well as females with period pain and cramps. Fennel is also good for bad breath, weight loss, and more. However, those with epilepsy or what is called fits should not drink fennel tea. Fennel may also interfere with hormone therapies. Other than those, fennel is good all year round. Paprika is not only rich in antioxidants, which are great for your overall health, including your hair, but it might also worsen kidney problems, so it's important to use it cautiously if you have kidney issues. While natural honey has a myriad of health benefits, including a natural way to soothe coughs and sweeten our foods without processed sugars, honey should not be given to babies under 1 year old and should be avoided by diabetics due to its high sugar content. Fenugreek has been used as a remedy since ancient times and can lower blood sugar levels effectively. However, it may interact with diabetes medications, so it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before using it. Fenugreek is also excellent in easing menopausal symptoms such as hot flushes, mood swings, low sex drive, etc. However, it must be used in moderation as it can cause upset stomach, as well as lowers blood sugar levels significantly. Curry powder is very healthy, especially the genuine Betapac brand from the island of Jamaica. Just make sure you get the real Betapac curry, as there are counterfeit curries out there. You can order the real Betapac curry and black pepper from us by the case or by the pound. We also carry the sachet packs of 24, as well as the bulk 25 and 50-pound bags. And yes, we ship worldwide. Betapac curry is packed with a number of health benefits due to those ingredients in them, such as fenugreek, black pepper, cardamom, coriander, pimento, star anise, thus making it very beneficial for one's health. However, too much curry can cause digestive problems and worsen GERD or acid reflux. Cardamom can freshen breath but may also worsen gallbladder issues. Coriander, or what is called cilantro, aids digestion, lowers blood pressure, helps in the fight against cancer of various sorts. It is good for diabetes, but it can lower blood pressure significantly. Thus, it's not recommended for those who are hypotensive or have low blood pressure, but is good for those who are hypertensive or have high blood pressure. While the coconut apple, or what many call coconut grow in Jamaica, is quite nutritious and can aid in cancer treatments, fibroid, etc., it's important to note that it may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Sunflower seeds are packed with nutrients, yet they can exacerbate kidney stones, making them a concern for some. Sesame seeds, known for their high calcium content, also carry the risk of triggering nut allergies, which is something to be mindful of. Spirulina is indeed nutrient-dense and is very good for those with diabetes. It's important to note that it can worsen autoimmune disorders. Red clover can help alleviate symptoms of menopause as well as cancer prevention. It may also thin the blood, so those on blood-thinning medications should not drink red clover tea. Peppercorn aids digestion, yet it's crucial to be aware that it can interact with certain medications. Tridax has medicinal properties, but it may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Purple onions are rich in antioxidants and packed with a number of health benefits. However, they can worsen heartburn. While sugarcane provides energy and can help in cancer prevention, it can also contribute to weight gain. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C but can erode tooth enamel. Lime juice is a good source of vitamin C, but can worsen mouth sores and even worsen acid reflux disease in some people. Coconut oil can raise good cholesterol, but also can increase bad cholesterol. The key is to use all things in moderation and abstain from those that do not agree with your system. Garlic not only boosts immunity, it can also be used as a powerful antibiotic. However, garlic can also interact with blood-thinning drugs, as well as cause stomach issues, especially when eaten uncooked. To get the full benefits of garlic, crush it, then let it sit for at least 10 minutes so it can release what is called allicin. This dish is nutritious but high in carbs, impacting blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds are nutritious and can calm the nerves, as well as help to prevent prostate issues, but it can worsen digestive issues. Guava is rich in vitamin C and is very good for the gum and teeth, but it can interfere with iron absorption, so don't eat guava when you're taking iron supplements. So we've journeyed through parts of the fascinating world of superfoods, uncovering their potential benefits and drawbacks, so moderation is the key, and if your system shows sign of rejection, leave those foods that you are allergic to alone. Remember, fenugreek is known to be beneficial for diabetes and menopause, while red clover may aid in cancer prevention. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, and cayenne pepper can boost metabolism. Grapefruit is important for managing blood pressure and may help in prevent breast cancer. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplements. They can provide personalized guidance based on your medical history and individual needs. Remember, health is not everything, but without health, everything comes to nothing. Love your health before it is too late. Blessings to all. Send us a message via WhatsApp 1-877-623-1683 from the USA 1-347-5147199. Take real good care and please support us. Visit simplethingsofnature.com. As we conclude this journey through the fascinating world of superfoods, it's clear that while these natural ingredients hold incredible potential, they also come with their own set of cautions. Moderation is key, and listening to your body is paramount. If you experience any adverse reactions, it's best to steer clear of foods that don't agree with you. Fenugreek, with its benefits for diabetes and menopause, red clover's potential in cancer prevention, turmeric's celebrated anti-inflammatory properties, and cayenne pepper's metabolism-boosting effects. All these ingredients can be part of a healthy lifestyle when used wisely. Grapefruit's role in managing blood pressure and possibly preventing breast cancer adds to the list of nature's gifts. However, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes or starting new supplements. Personalized guidance based on your medical history and individual needs is invaluable. Remember, health is not everything, but without health, everything comes to nothing. Love your health before it is too late. Blessings to all. For more information, send us a message via WhatsApp at the numbers provided below. Jamaica 1-876-232-1683 from USA dial 1-347-514-7199. Take real good care of yourselves and please support us by visiting simplethingsofnature.com and make a purchase or register and become a member of our Herbal Health Club. Thank you for your kind support and for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, stay healthy and be well. Please register and become a member of our Herbal Club. As a member, you'll be able to submit your questions regarding your herbal health needs and concerns. Send us a message via WhatsApp to 1-876-232-1683 USA 1-347-514-7199. Join us, won't you?